An egg is dropped from a height of 90 feet. If acceleration due to gravity is negative 15 feet per second squared, and the initial velocity is 0 feet per second, approximately how long will it take for the egg to reach the ground? And it gave us our vertical motion, or projectile motion formula, h to t is equaling to a times t squared plus vt plus h naught. So what we need to do is go ahead and formulate an equation and then basically solve for 0, because that's when it hits the ground. So taking my parameters from my equation, negative 16 feet is my gravity, which is my a value. So I'll have negative 16 t squared. Now it says my initial velocity is 0, so then I've got plus 0t. And it says it was dropped from a height of 90 feet. So this 90 is my initial height. And I want to figure out how long will it take for the egg to reach the ground. Well, that ground will be at 0. So then let's go ahead and solve for t, and hopefully that should be one of these answers provided here. So let's simplify. I've got negative 16 t squared. 0 times t is just 0. So I'll go ahead and just add 90. Now if I want to get t by itself, my next bet would probably be to minus 90 on both sides. So I have negative 16 t squared is equal to negative 90. Divide by negative 16, divide by negative 16, and therefore I have t squared is equal to, let's see, I'll put that in the calculator, and that should be approximately 5.625. Okay, well now if I go ahead and take the square root, because again I want t by itself, not t squared. So if I go ahead and take the square root of that, I get approximately t is equal to 2.37. And looking at my answers, if I go ahead and round that, I see 2.4 is my closest solution.